I wish I could plus verb is used to say that you regret things you could not do. Examples: I'm sorry I have to go. I wish I could stay longer. I've met her before. I wish I could remember her name. I wish I could tell you what we discussed at the meeting, but it was confidential. I wish I could sleep in today. I wish I could watch you play. I wish I could go travel with you. I wish I could give you more information, but I'm afraid that's all I know. I wish I could lend you some money, but I've been broke for a week now. I wish I could help you solve this problem. I wish I could do something to make him feel better.